Okay, hey guys. I'm out here today on a good snowy day in Virginia, January, and I got this wheelbarrow here filled up with snow because there's not really much snow out here to begin with. But I got this red devil right here, TNT, and basically I'm just gonna bury it in the snow just so the fuse is sticking out, and I'm gonna light the little sucker and see what happens. So first I'm just gonna put it in the snow for some reason. Oh, well that's cool. There's ice in there. That's cool. Guess I'll be putting it a little bit closer to the top then. There's ice in here. Guess it like all the water in there froze or something. Hope this fuse is waterproof. Pretty sure it is. Okay, so it's good and covered up right there. Get this fuse up. Let's light it. Oh dang! I jumped a little bit there. Yeah, that's ice. Okay, that was pretty sweet. Well, I'll get to y'all later. Bye.